to show you how to create a luminance range mask in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Here you have an image. From here we just go into the masking tool, which is this one, and here we click on create new mask, and then we click on luminance range, and here we can select something, a point from our image which has a certain luminance, and then everything in that range will be added to the mask. We can be more specific with the luminance range as well. Like so. As you can see, you can set up how much of a certain luminance you want to have in that range. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.